What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today is my birthday, bro. I turned 20 years old today. August 20th, I'm 20 years old. Feels pretty crazy, bro. I'm not a teenager anymore. I put some work in today. I decided, like, you know, come make a video. Before I go have a little fun, but for today's video, I'm gonna talk about, I don't exactly know what the quote I can make it is, dude. Like, I don't know how to quote it. I gotta think about that. But basically, I want to talk about how nothing is owed to you in life. Especially as a man, like, you're born as a child. Kind of it's different when you're a kid versus when you grow up, and I'm understanding this as I get older. Like, obviously I'm not a man yet. Like, I'm a young man, but I'm not a man yet, because I believe what makes you a man is having responsibility, and I don't have responsibility over that much stuff. Like, I don't have a family, I don't have a home, like all that kind of stuff. But I do believe that off rip, you're given nothing in life as a man, unless you're born rich. But most of us aren't, and so you gotta make your own life out of your own circumstances, bro. That's kind of the beauty of being a man too. Is like, yeah, you're born with no value, basically. Like, you're a human being, like, that's value. You're valued as a human being. But as in value to the world, as a man, you start off kind of nothing, and you got to build yourself up into the kind of man you want to become, what you want to stand for, who you want to surround yourself with, those types of things. So I just want to talk about that today because it kind of hit me a little bit. Like, I'm not a teenager anymore, and I'm getting older. Things are kind of changing for me. Like, it's just kind of weird to think about, bro. Like, life's just getting more serious, I guess you could say. Not that I wasn't taking life serious before, but it's a different context now that I'm a little bit older and I'm not a teenager anymore. Type of pressure. Like, I'm not going to be young forever, and no one's going to come out here and put the work in for me and do what I have envisioned in my mind for myself. Like, the only person that's going to do anything for me is me. So there's no days off. You just got to work. You're either going to win or you're going to lose. It's a 50-50 chance. There's two options you have. You can win or you can lose, bro. Me, I don't want to lose, so I'm gonna do everything I can, try my best in everything that I pursue, become the best man that I could possibly become. I think life as a man, that's kind of what it's about. You know what I'm saying? Like, one day I want to be a dad. I want to have a beautiful wife, beautiful family, beautiful home, beautiful life. And the only way I'm going to be able to achieve that is through hard work, bro. So, as I'm getting older, I'm getting more opportunities to become a better person. Because I don't want to see getting old as a bad thing. For me, it's a good thing. It's like, I'm learning more, I'm becoming more wise, gain more knowledge, have access to bigger and better things, and ultimately just becoming a better person with each year that passes in my life. I become a better person at the end of each year. So 19 years old was a pretty crazy year for me. That was a year filled with a lot of crazy shit. The main thing is like recovering from my crash, bro. Like, I was 18 years old when I crashed. Almost died. So like, I spent my 19 kind of building myself back up. Now I'm kind of back. More opportunities for me. Learned a lot of lessons along the way. And I'm not gonna stop until I'm where I wanna be. But I also know, like, once I'm there, it's not gonna be enough for me. Like, nothing's ever gonna be enough. So I'm always hungry for more. Damn, this road is a lot worse than it used to be. I'm not ripping that shit anymore. Sucks now. Holy, it used to be smooth. Now it's like all fucked up. Well, that used to be like a fun little place to zip around a little bit, but damn, bro. Shit is horrible pavement. It's bumpy as fuck. You know, I mean, I don't really have a specific topic for this video. I'm probably not gonna make it like quoted, like how I do with all the other ones. Maybe I'll put something about turning 20 or something. I don't know. Kind of an interesting video. Like, I don't really have a specific thing to say. Just wanted to get a little ride in on my birthday, turning 20 years old, getting older. I'm glad I've had all the opportunities I've had in my life so far, and I'm so excited to see where I can take my life, because I know everything's in my hands. Where I want to be, it's all up to me, bro. And I can't wait to see who I become in the next decade, the next 2 decades. I'm so excited. I mean, I kind of just started life, bro. So all the endeavors I have and I want to pursue, I'm very grateful I get the opportunities to do what I have been able to do, what I get to do, what I'm going to get to do. And yeah, bro, I'm just excited for life, man. Like, every day I wake up and I'm glad I'm alive, because, bro, almost had that taken away from me once. By myself, of course, but like, it doesn't really matter. It's pretty interesting. Like, dude, like a year and a half ago, I was fighting for my life, and now I'm where I'm at today. So I'm very proud of who I am and what I want to do for life, and the visions inside my head I have for who I want to become, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's kind of it. I don't really have like a specific quote or anything for this video. I just kind of wanted to make a video about turning 20, bro. It's a pretty interesting feeling. It hasn't really hit me yet too hard, because I turned 20 today. I kind of just feel the same, but I know eventually, like, it's gonna dawn on me, like, damn, bro, I'm 20 years old. I'm not a teenager anymore, dude. So yeah, Life's getting interesting. But like I said, I'm excited to go where I'm gonna go because I know I have a vision in my head. I know if I work as hard as I possibly can, I'm gonna achieve whatever I want to in life. So I'm just excited to keep pursuing my dreams. Yo, this guy better not walk in the road. Thank you, bro. Scared me a little bit, Unc. Bro, that's also weird. Like, a lot of my cousins are all younger than me. They're calling me Unc and shit now, bro. Like, I'm not that old, bro. 20's not that old. It's just funny. But yeah, man. I love life. What else can I say? I have an amazing life. And I know that if I continue on my path and keep working hard, it's only gonna get better. So I guess to end off the video, if you're not where you want to be in life, that's okay. You can always change your life, no matter what kind of circumstance you're in. All it takes is action. Just don't think about your life too much. Don't worry about tomorrow or yesterday, because all we have is the present, bro. It's truly a gift, the present. Very like cliche saying, but bro, it's true. Like you're alive, bro. You have life. You can breathe in the air. You can smell, and you can hear, and you can see, and you can taste. And you have feelings. Like, you're a real human, bro. It's just, life is crazy, bro. Life is crazy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, I hope you did. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.